Hey there friends, I just thought of writing a script for this video and then I just let it go. Today I'll be sharing you about what I'm feeling after the completion of the first semester in the software engineering course. And as I make this video, I'm preparing for the viva of my information system module, which is basically Python programming, and hopefully next week we are going to have similar viva for Java programming. In this viva, I have to present myself and defend the questions of the interviewer about my project work and so far my understanding about the module of Python and Java respectively. I'm planning of creating something at my side as a side I'm planning to create something as my side project. I'm planning to create something as my side project in the 2 weeks vacation after the first semester, where I'm kind of thinking of playing with augmented reality and machine learning with iOS devices and playing a bit with Flutter development for a decent mobile application. I hope that I will be building something for iOS, Android and web, all three at the same time using Flutter and Dart programming language. I've been so positive about this Flutter and software development from Google, and I've been following them. So I'll be playing with Flutter from next week, and I'm preparing for viva now. So I'm repeating this kind of again and again because I don't have not that much things to do other than preparing myself for the viva. So that's it. The first semester is off. I've created simple project for Python and Java, which I have shared in some earlier videos. If I have not posted them yet, I'll be posting them soon. So we are good and all ready for the next semester of the 3-year course of software engineering. See you guys soon.